shopping because me and my family had shipped from Pakistan to Kuwait, and we bought a new house, and we are going to be doing some shopping for furniture. So let's start. Sleep on it. I'll have the you'll sleep. No, there's just down place because this isn't top. Baba, please, can I take this bunk bed?
Sure.
This is so cute. Mama, it's not expensive. Look. Don't touch it.
Let me sit. Oh, we have that mirror. How much sugar would you prefer in your tea?
I will prefer 1%.
1%.
It's such a cute place.
We have the same mirror now.
Yeah. Baba, you work from IKEA, right? Look at this cute turtle. Look at these flowers. You can pour water from here, and it goes inside, and you pour water. Let's find our sofas. Look at this. Look at these candles. Look, they're telling about the sofas.
It covers.
This is kind of a drawing room area, I think.
Come. Tell me here.
I want bunk bed, please. I really want it. Let me go. Why? Vlog. Bobby, please.
For sure, I'll buy. Let's go and check another one.
No.
Good care. Since that table is clean out, that table is
Money that table.
Which? That's dirty.
Go.
These all things. What are these? So this is our meal, and because we are too hungry, we had to eat something, and this is all we got. Mari, cook this. Sauce. Wash it. Wash the mushrooms. Wash the cabbage. Oh, tomato. We need tomato. Yeah, keep. Oh, mushrooms. Let me just boil it. Wash it. I'll wash it. You boil it. Oh my God! There's even a bowl. You make it bowl pineapple. I'll make pineapple. Who makes pineapple? Juice. I want this. Bless, bless. Oh my god. It's good. Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. It's me, Maryam. It's me, Sarah. And we are back. So, since we have moved into a new apartment, and me and Sarah have basically been homeless since we don't have any place to organize our stuff in, so we convinced my dad to get us a new setup for our stuff, and I guess this will be the corner we will set our stuff in, and let's go. Let's set up our stuff. Let's start here. This is heavy. This is so heavy. Okay, done. Now, okay, so these are all the stuff we have. So basically, these are the drawers that we have. And these are the 4 feet. Like, these are the feet for this table right here. And these are the drawers that are for these right here. And now I have a cutter. Let's open it. Should we start from here? Start from here. This is the table. Here, the top of the table. And this is the instructions. This is the manual. Yeah. Now let's open it. From here? From here. Here. So here's the manual for fixing the table. So this is how the table will look if we fix it. So first of all, we need the screws. Instructions is here. Here, wait. Slow. Okay, so this is how you need to fix it. This is the way you will put the screw in, and it actually comes with a screw first of all. And this is actually a manual for how to fix the table. Duh. Yeah, that's how it looks. Now we are gonna go and open. Should I open the table first? Okay. So wait. And this. Okay, where should we keep this one? Keep it on the side. Open the feet here. No, these are the feet. This is how slow the shoe. Looks like cones, ice cream cones. These are the, I don't know what. These are the feet for, I guess we put it inside. Yeah, like this. These. So these are the screws, how to fix the table. Table. Yeah. These are big screws actually, look like. And now, time to.
Please start.
Okay, so this is washer. This is Allen tool. Washers, Allen tool. This is wood packing, and these are bolts, and these are screws. Angle, and yeah, that's it. Now let's assemble it. Let's take out the old screws. Don't mix them. Work with it.
I'm recording this. And do something. See one? I'll keep it. Next, leave it half. That's it, leave it half. Next. There, all there, that side is done.
And this is the result. This is our new setup, Pookies. Yeah, wait. Okay, so I want to show you where I used to keep my stuff in before. Filthy drawer. This filthy drawer. See this filthy drawer? Yeah, I know it's filthy, right? Yeah, I do have space. Yeah, don't worry. And now we have bought this chair from IKEA, and which is my sister sitting on. We unboxed that already, but we have to unbox this one more now. So let's unbox it with you guys. First, let's open the chair. This is the chair. Look guys. This is it. This is the manual. We have to open this manual. Let's tear it. With my little sister. Get it. Okay, let's tear it. Okay. Look how big hole we have. First we have to open the manual. The manual is this chair and the back side. Here. Okay. It's nothing. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now let's open the chair.
To cut this, or like this,
there's the glass piece. And now we have to roll it like this. Roll, roll, roll. Okay, let's roll. Roll, 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 roll. Roll.